Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to IRCCM Studio Kitchen. Today, we will be making a famous Thai soup, Tom Khai, which is a Thai coconut soup. Let's start making Tom Kha Thai coconut soup. Now, let's check the ingredient for Tom Kha soup. So, first, we have vegetable stock, then we have coconut milk, then we have sliced onions, then baby corns, then broccoli, then mushrooms, then carrots, then we have kaffir lime, then galangal, then sliced red chilies, then lemongrass, salt, sugar, lemon juice, and tom yum paste. Let's start with the recipe of Tom Kha soup. For making soup, we will add oil into the saucepan. Once the oil heats, add the sliced onions. Saute the onions. Saute the onions in the oil until they turn translucent. You can see our onions turn translucent. Then we will add all the veggies one by one. First, we are adding the carrots. Then we have broccoli. Then we have sliced baby corns. Then we have button mushrooms. Saute the vegetable for a while. And let it cook for 1 minute. Now our vegetables are tender. We will add some herbs. First, we are adding fresh lemongrass. Then we are adding galangal. Then we'll just stir 2 leaves of kaffir lime. Just give it a good mix. So, we have added all the herbs. These herbs will give a nice aroma and flavor to the soup. The lemongrass flavor should be more prominent in the soup and it gives the nice taste to the soup. After sauteing all the herbs for at least 1 minute, add sliced red chilies, that is the Thai chilies. Then we have to add tom yum paste, which is a very famous paste from Thailand, which is used in different soups like tom yum soup. Mix the paste very well. The flavor of the paste is infused very nicely with the vegetables. Now they are ready to add the seasonings like salt and sugar. We will add salt according to taste. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give it a good mix. Now we have to add vegetable stock. This is pre-prepared vegetable stock. Mix very well and keep it for simmering at least 5 to 10 minutes. So in the Tom Kha soup, we have used many different ingredients and many different herbs which are very rare to us, and we should know the significance and the importance of that herbs and what they are actually. So first we have used the galangal. So galangal is like ginger, which is a very famous rhizome from Thailand, which is mostly used in Thai cuisine in many of the Thai dishes. So galangal has a very dense and very dense flavor than the ginger. And next we use the kaffir lime. Kaffir lime is also from the lime family, and which have very a nice flavor, which have more strong flavor than the normal lime. And mostly the leaves of this kaffir lime are used in many of the Thai preparations. So third, we use the most unknown ingredients and very famous ingredients of Thai cuisine. So that is the tom yum paste. So tom yum paste is made up of from a chili, which is a dry chili. Then that is a Thai dry chili. Then we are using dry shims we are using, and some seasonings we are using. Tamarind also we use for making this paste, which we have used to prepare the soup. Our soup is boiling now. Now we'll just keep for 2 minutes at it boil. Keep it on a low flame that it should just simmer and the vegetables turn tender inside the soup. Now our soup is boiled enough and simmered enough. Now we will stir in the main ingredients, that is the coconut milk. So just switch off the flame before putting the coconut milk so that it won't curdle and it won't leave any lumps in the soup. Continuously stir in the soup while pouring. Once the milk is mixed well into the soup, just turn on the flame. As you can see, our soup reached the desired consistency. Now we are ready to serve the soup. We will just switch off the flame and stir in the lemon juice. Now add lemon juice and give it a good mix. We are done with the soup. Let's start with the plating of the soup. Now let's start with the plating of the soup. So first we will arrange all the blanched veggies in the soup bowl, and then we will pour in the soup. We have carrots. Our plate is ready to pour in the soup. So now we'll pour the soup in the plate. We'll add in some chili oil droplets. See. Our soup is ready. Now it's time to taste the soup. The soup turned out very delicious and it is very soothing. It is warm and it is a very nice tom kha soup from Thailand. If you want to start your career in culinary and in food industry, you should join ISCCM Pune, which is a very nice and vibrant institute to learn culinary skills and to excel in the culinary field. Thank you.